so you want to open your Uber app and go to the menu by hitting the 3 black lines in the upper left-hand corner. Under the menu, you want to hit Payment and scroll down to Ride Profiles. Under Ride Profiles, you want to start using Uber for Business. Now, here, they give you 3 ways to simplify your business travel. You can create a profile for yourself, create a profile for your team, or join an existing account. I want to keep my work and personal rides separate, so I'm going to hit the first option. In Uber for Business, you can get ride receipts in your work inbox, set a payment to use for work trips, get weekly or monthly travel reports, and automatically start expense reports in Concur and more. So now you're going to hit Get Started. And here you want to enter the email address in which you want Uber to send receipts. The email address I want to use is already filled, so I'm going to hit Next. And here you're going to select how you would like to pay for Uber when you ride. And hit Next. How frequently do you want to get your travel reports? You have the option of doing it weekly and monthly. I want to keep it at monthly. Want to link your expense provider? You can either choose one of these or skip. My expense provider is not listed, so I'm going to hit skip. And you're all set. Now you'll have the option under payment to add members to make it a team. You just hit the invite button and send it to the people you would like to add. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was very informative. Bye.